Now it's Hale's turn, and we did just start doing the cup technique, the targeting this. He's a little bit better at it just because he's not as fast as Holly. He's a picking up thing, so he's a little bit slower, which is actually a little bit easier to train. We started this yesterday, same with Holly, and he picked it up way faster than she did, so see how he does today. Here, buddy. Sit. Good boy, sit. Oh, you little cheater. Put his bum up. Hey, sit your butt. Sit. Tail. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Come here. Down. Good. See, we'll start off with just down, excuse, tail. Good boy. He already remembers yesterday's from the bowl. Yes. 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 He remembers just fine from yesterday. He's just a little bit lazy. Come here. Straighten yourself out. Sit. See ya. Yeah. The food in my lap is causing a big distraction. When they can see it, it's, get your booty back over here, sir. Sit. Floor. Hip. He just throws himself down. Wait. He's a little excited about dinner. Yes. Floor. Thank you. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Yes. Yes. No. You've got to keep one leg straight. Thank you. Good boy. Yes, good. No. No. He's a little anxious. He's not usually like this. He knows that he's got to work for the treats. Are you done? Yes. Yes. Yes, good boy. Yes, good boy. Yes. Yes. Paw over. Yes, good paw over. Paw over. Yes, good boy. Paw over. Yes. Try to put a hand signal with the move. Yes. 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 I grab more food. 1 second. Yes. Yes. Over. Yes. No. Come here. Straighten yourself up. Come here. Come here, sit. Down. Good. Yes. Come here. Down. Down. Good boy, wait. Yes. Over. Yes. Over. Yes. Over. Yes. I don't know if he quite gets the hand signal yet, but he knows the bowl. Yes. Yes. Over. Yes, good boy, over. Oh, that was the best yet. Over. Yes, good boy. Over. Yes. Yes. Over. Yes. Yes, good boy. See if he'll give it to us again. Oh, so close. Yes! I want him to hold his paw now on the thing. I don't want him just to tap it. I want him to hold it there for a second. Yes! Good boy. Paw over. Yes, good! Yes, that's exactly what I wanted. Yes! Oh, I was a bit slow on that one. Yes, good boy. Paw over. Yes. Oh, my legs hurt. Paw over. Yes. Paw over. No. I don't want his other paw moving. The goal is to get one paw to go over the other paw. Paw over paw. Yes. No. Paw over. Yes. 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 Oh, you stinker. Moving that other paw. Paw over. Yes. Paw over. Yes. Paw over. Yes. You keep sliding on me. Yeah. Down. Paw over. Yes. Good boy. Paw over. Yes. That's good. Paw over. Paw over. Yes. Good. Paw over. Yes, good boy. Paw over. Yes. Paw over. Yes. Okay. That's it for that one. We're going to move on to a new trick. I don't want to overload his brain too much on one.